Okay, let's talk about Samsung Galaxy Note 8, a device from 2017 that officially stopped receiving updates after Android 9 and One UI 1.1. So I decided to give this classic device a new lease on life by installing a custom ROM, and I have been using it as my daily driver ever since. The ROM I'm running is Hades ROM QV3, which is based on Android 10 with One UI 2.5. I'm honestly amazed at how smooth and stable it is for daily use. It's so reliable that I have been able to use like all the applications. Even the banking application didn't give me any issues, though I should mention that Google Wallet is not gonna work in this device anymore because it does not support in custom ROM, and somehow it detects the routing issue. It gives the routing issue, or like it shows like it's a custom firmware, so the application is not supported, so you can leave it behind. If I talk about the camera and performance, the ROM includes all the standard Samsung features. It was ported from Samsung Galaxy Note 9, I guess, including the stock camera app. Works great. A huge thanks to the developer for enabling 4K video recording at 60 fps, which is fantastic additional feature. The camera itself works perfectly. I haven't found any bugs or quality issues at all. When it comes to overall performance and stability, I would give this ROM a solid 10 out of 10 for daily use. I am particularly impressed by the lack of any heating issues in this device. I used to have problems with the stock ROM overheating. Even on a much older version of Android with Hades ROM, the device stays surprisingly cool, which I can only attribute to the excellent port and optimized the power management. So last but not the least, multitasking and customization. Multitasking is great in this device. All the S Pen features works flawlessly. I had a small issue with my personal S Pen, but I tested with different one and it worked perfectly. Well, I did not get a record of that, unfortunately. You can rest assured that you aren't gonna have any problems with S Pen functionality. Most of the other features as functional as they are. When you install a ROM using TWRP, you will have you will giving some option to install various features like HP features, or you can skip a lot of feature like installing lots of bloatware from the device. You can choose what you like, but be careful not to select too many features, as this might prevent the device from booting it correctly. Always remember to back up your device with a USB drive or memory card, or maybe internal storage before you do anything or proceed further. In conclusion, if you are looking for a way to update your Galaxy Note 8, I highly recommend this Hades ROM QV3. It's a fantastic ROM, and it's not it's gonna be great with the device.